In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find word count or the number of words that are available on your document that you have just worked on in Grammarly. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. All right, let's get to it. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and open your document. As you can see, mine is here opened. And to know the number of words that your document contains, it is quite simple. Just head down here and you can see mine has 311 words. So if you go ahead and click on it, you can also see further breakdown such as the number of characters. This has 2058 characters, and also you can see the approximate reading time, speaking time, as well as readability score. So that's how you find the number of words on your document in Grammarly. If this video is helpful, please like it and also subscribe to my channel. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.